In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. To get started, open your Wix website editor. This is where you'll be making all the changes to your site. So make sure you are logged in and inside the correct website project. Before moving on, once the editor is open, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Add Apps. This section lets you browse and install extra features that can enhance your website without needing any coding. In the app search bar, type in Number Counter and look for an app such as Number Counter by PB. When you find it, go ahead and install it. After clicking Install, give it a little time to load and connect to your site. Depending on your internet speed and the Wix editor, this may take a few moments. Once the app has been added successfully, its dashboard should open automatically. Inside the dashboard, the first thing you'll usually do is select a template. Templates give you a starting layout for how the animated counter will look. Choose the one that best matches your website style and the information you want to highlight. After that, customize the counter by entering the number you want to display. You can adjust the starting value and the ending value to control how the animation counts up. If needed, you can also show or hide certain elements depending on the design you want. Next, move to the appearance settings. This is where you can fine-tune the visual style of the counter. You can change the colors, update the text style, and adjust spacing and padding so the widget fits nicely with the rest of your page. You can also edit the borders if you want a more defined or polished look. Take your time here, because small design changes can make the counter look much more professional and easier to read. Once you are happy with the design, click Next at the bottom. In the following section, you will be able to adjust the rules and triggers. These settings control how and when the animated counter behaves on your website, so review them carefully and apply the options that work best for your page. After that, click Next again, and then click Publish and Add Widget to Site. This will place the animated number counter onto your website. Once it's added, you should be able to see the counter directly on your page inside the Wix editor. And it will appear live on your site after publishing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.